So what if you want to add or draw multiple plots inside one figure? So it's very simple. You will define two axes and with different dimensions or different parameters. So it's very simple. As usual, we will import the Matplotlib dot by plot as BLT, and we will import num_by as NB, and we can now import the mass functions. So we will we say that x will be num_by range from 0 to mass dot by multiplied by 2 like this, and we have also the figure will be BLT dot figure, and we will define this first axis. One will be fig dot add axis, and it's ranging from 0.1 to 0.1 to 0.8 to 0.8, and after that we have axis 2. It will be fig dot add axis, and it's ranging from 0.55 and 0.55 and 0.3 and 0.3. And the y will be num_by dot sine of x. So axis 1 will be dot plot x and y, and it will be blue. And axis 2 dot plot x and num_by dot cosine x, maybe red. And let's set the titles. Axis 1 dot set title the sign, and axis 2 dot set title will be the cosine. After that we must show our plot like this. And now we have the ability to run our script. Alright, so we have the sine axis, which is the whole figure, which is here from 0.1 here to 0.8, and you have also this one from 0.55 here to 0.3. 0.55 to 0.55, and have widths of 0.3 and 0.3. So I hope you enjoy this lesson and see this lesson useful for you to add multiple figures or multiple plots by using multiple axes, and it's a very simple way. So see you in the next video.